Do you want to log out Twitter X account on all devices? You can log out from all devices at once with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To log out of your X account on all devices. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. From the menu, tap on Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy from Expanded menu. Now, tap on Security and Account Access. A new screen will open with security options. Tap on Apps and Sessions. This will show session and login information. Now, tap on Sessions to view all logged-in devices. Here you will see your current active sessions. To log out from all other devices, tap on Log out of all other sessions. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Tap on Log out to confirm. X will now sign you out from all other devices except the one you are currently using. Once done, your account will be logged out from all other phones, browsers, and devices.